If you've been thinking about buying the Tagsley tracking card, you're probably asking one simple question. Is it actually legit, or is it just another scam? Let's find out. The Tagsley tracking card is a slim Bluetooth tracker designed to fit inside your wallet. The idea is simple. If you lose your wallet, you can use your phone to help locate it. Since it's as thin as a credit card, it doesn't add much bulk, which is a big advantage over traditional tracking tags. One thing I like is how easy it is to set up. Pairing the card with your phone only takes a few minutes. After that, you can check its last known location or make it ring if it's nearby. That's very useful if you often misplace your wallet around the house or office. The build quality also feels decent for everyday use. It's lightweight, durable, and designed to handle normal wear and tear. Battery life is another important factor, and many users report getting several months of use before needing to recharge or replace the battery, depending on the model. But is it perfect? Not really. Like most Bluetooth trackers, it has a limited range. If your wallet is far away, you'll usually only see its last recorded location unless it's connected through a larger tracking network. That means it's not a GPS tracker, so it's important to understand its limitations before buying. So, is the Tagsley tracking card legit? From what I've seen, yes. It appears to be a real product that does what it's designed to do. However, it's not magic, and it won't guarantee you'll recover every lost wallet.